Simulation and role play are powerful educational tools that facilitate experiential learning. In this presentation, I will explore their definitions, historical significance, benefit, and applications across various fields, including healthcare and business studies. Simulation refers to the method that replicates real-life processes or systems for educational purposes, while role play involves students acting out roles in a given scenario. Both promote active learning and engagement. Now, historically, simulation has been used and evolved over time, especially with the use of technology and pedagogical theories. Their significance lies in enhancing understanding and retention of knowledge through practical applications. What they provide is an experiential learning opportunity, improved critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. It enhances student engagements and allows for safe practice in a controlled environment. Now, when designing these sort of realistic scenarios, is essential for effective simulation-based assessments. Scenarios should align with learning objectives and reflect real-world challenges that students may encounter, and thus adding authenticity. Simulation assessment can effectively measure problem-solving skills by placing students in complex situations where they must devise solutions under pressure. These assessments provide opportunities to evaluate students' decision-making abilities and critical thinking through their responses to real-world simulated challenges. In clinical situations, students engage with virtual patients to practice diagnostic skills. This hands-on experience is crucial in preparing them for real-world patient interactions. Students can test their treatment plans on simulated patients without the risk of harming real patients, enhancing their practical skills and confidence before actual clinical practice. Clinical simulations provide medical students and professionals with valuable experiences that enhance their learning and prepares them better for real-world medical challenges. Students can engage in boardroom simulations, allowing them to experience the dynamics of decision making at an executive level, which is critical for developing leadership skills. Role playing, market analysis, and strategic planning equip students with the skills needed to assess market conditions and develop effective business strategies. These simulations foster collaboration and communication among students, essential skill for effective leadership and teamwork in the business environment. However, technologies must be used with ethical and value-based principles to implement effective simulation, ensuring that all students have access to quality resources. For simulation to be effective, educators need to focus on creating realistic and immersive experience that closely mimic real-world situations. Future trends in educational methodologies are evolving, especially with technology-enabled methods, and that these can be used for role play and expected to enhance engagement. These can be in virtual and augmented reality and generative AI. Simulation and role play are transforming education by providing immersive learning experiences that enhance skills development across various disciplines. Embracing these methods can lead to better educational outcomes and prepare students for real-world challenges.